Hello friends, I am your chemistry faculty from QLS Academy. Today we are going to learn about black diamond and black gold, means coal and petroleum. I hope you will enjoy today's learning. So let's get started with our today's lesson. हम रोज कितनी चीजें यूज करते हैं? Some are natural, like our erasers, which are made up of rubber produced by rubber plant. Like paper we write on is provided by trees. While there are also some things which are made by us, like bottles, which are made up of plastic. The things which are not supplied by nature but instead are artificially made by us are called man-made things. Natural resources are the resources provided by nature. It includes all the natural things like air, water, soil, forest, mineral, petrol, diesel, coal, etc. Natural resources are classified as inexhaustible and exhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources are the resources which are present in unlimited quantity in nature or those which will be replaced over time. These resources are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. ये खत्म नहीं हो सकते हैं, but careless human activities की वजह से इनकी quality ज़रूर खराब हो सकती है. Human activities will not exhaust them, but can pollute them. As they are replaced over time, they are also called as renewable resources. For example, water, air, sunlight, etc. Exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources are the resources which are limited in nature and will not be replaced over the time. They can be exhausted by human activities. हम उनका जितना ज़्यादा यूज़ करेंगे ये उतनी ही जल्दी खत्म होते जाएंगे. Since they can't be replaced over time, they are called as non-renewable resources. For example, coal, petroleum, natural gas, forest, etc. Today we are going to learn about some exhaustible non-renewable resources. The exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum and natural gas are formed from the remains of the past living organisms. इन्हें हम fossil fuels कहते हैं. They are formed when remains of dead plants and animals get buried deep in soil. It took millions of years for their formation. The first fossil fuel which we are going to discuss is coal. Coal is solid, black-colored rock which is used for a variety of purposes like cooking, generation of electricity, etc. Coal is the world's most abundant fossil fuel. About 300 million years ago, during the Carboniferous age, the earth was covered by large amount of plant life and dense forest in the swampy and low-lying wetlands. Carboniferous era में, Carboniferous age में सिर्फ प्लांट्स ही थे. पूरी जो अर्थ थी हमारी भी फॉरेस्ट और प्लांट्स से कवर्ड थी. Plants and other life forms after their death sunk down to the bottom of the swamps. There they were anaerobically compressed and decomposed to form peat. And the compression of peat at high temperature and pressure formed the coal which we are using today. The slow conversion of dead life forms into coal is what we call carbonization, as 60 to 90% of coal is pure carbon. Coal also contains hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur and nitrogen. Coal is mainly classified into three types. First one is anthracite. It contains about 92 to 98% of carbon. It is the highest carbon grade and is mainly used to produce heat. The next type of coal is bituminous coal. It contains about 60 to 80% of carbon. It is used mainly for power generation. It is named bituminous because of the presence of tar-like substance in it called bitumen. The third type of coal is lignite. It has low percentage of carbon, around 25 to 35%, and have highest amount of moisture. It is mainly used for domestic purposes. Now, हमने कोल के बारे में पढ़ा. कोल इतना यूज होता है, कोल की varieties भी होती है. But where do we get coal from? Coal is extracted from the depths of the earth through mining. Coal can be extracted from earth either by surface mining or underground mining. Coal present up to 200 feet of depth can be extracted through surface mining. Surface mining के लिए surface पे present vegetation को simply scrap out कर दिया जाता है. This tear apart the site of mining, causing habitat loss of the animals living there. Surface mining can also cause landslides and subsidence. Subsidence means caving in or sinking in of an area. Means किसी भी एरिया को धंस जाता है. जब वो अंदर धंस जाता है, अंदर से खोखला हो जाता है और फिर ऊपर जो सरफेस होता है वो जब अंदर धंस जाता है उसे हम कहते हैं subsidence. वर्ल्ड के ज़्यादातर कोल माइंस बहुत ही डीप होते हैं, समवेयर अप टू 1000 feet deep. Such mining is called underground or deep mining. The dangers of underground mining for miners are very serious. Underground explosions, suffocation from lack of oxygen, and exposure to toxic gases are very real threats. For the past many years, China has been the largest producer of coal in the entire world. Coal extracted from mines are either used directly as fuel or are processed to make some more useful products like coke, coal tar, and coal gas. First, let's discuss about coke. Coke is a tough, porous, black-colored substance. It is a pure form of carbon used in the extraction of metals and also used in the manufacturing of steel. Coal tar. Coal tar is an unpleasant smelling thick black liquid formed by heating coal to a very high temperature but in the absence of air. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. Coal tar के अंदर about 200 substances present होते हैं. The products obtained from coal tar are used as starting materials for manufacturing of many substances like dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, paints, plastics, and photographic materials. Coal tar is also used in medicated shampoo, soap, and ointments as a treatment for dandruff and psoriasis, as well as being used to kill and repel head lice. Naphthalene balls used to repel moths and other insects are also obtained from coal tar. Coal tar is also used in the construction of roads. Next, coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. जब कोल से कोक बनाया जाता है उस टाइम कोल गैस प्रोड्यूस होता है एज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट. It is a mixture of gases like hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. It is mainly used as fuel in industries around coal processing plants. In early 1800s, coal gas was used for street lighting in London and New York. So, this was all about renewable and non-renewable natural resources and coal. In next class, we will discuss about some more fossil fuels, petroleum and natural gas. Hope you enjoyed today's learning. For any further information or any doubt, you can visit the following link.